大家好，我是 Richard。今天早上，早安。今天早上呢，我要教大家一些中文。那我已经 po 在这个脸书上了，所以呢，我今天把这些中文念一遍。那希望大家能够学到多一点的中文。好，那我们现在就开始咯。好，首先要带大家念一下 ，OK， 12生肖，学习动物的说法。12生肖，学习动物的说法。好，这个比较难，没关系，我们直接来念中文的动物。老鼠，老鼠，牛，牛，老虎，老虎，兔子，兔子，龙，龙，蛇，蛇，马，马，羊，羊，猴子，猴子，鸡，鸡，鸡，狗 dog 狗，猪 pig 猪，猪。好，这些是动物的念法。好，看看还有什么可以念。OK，Make use of your time， 中文的说法是善用你的时间。善用 ，make use of， 你的 your， 你的 your， 时间 time， 时间 OK，let's go on。好，相信自己，相信自己，相信 believe in， 相信 believe in， 自己 self， 自己 self， yourself 自己，相信自己，相信 believe， 自己 self。Okay, let's see. What else can we read? Okay, here. Okay. Okay. 手 your hand 手手掌 palm 手掌手指 fingers finger 手指手帕 handkerchief 手帕手表 watch 手表 Okay, once again 手 hand 手掌手指手帕手表 Okay, once again 手 hand 手 palm 手掌finger 手指 handkerchief 手帕 watch 手表 Okay, let's see. Okay, cat. Okay, 猫 cat 猫。If your cat is black, then you can say black cat, of course. 黑 means black. 黑 means black. 黑猫 And if your cat is a spotted cat, 花 means like spotted. Actually, 花 means flower. Actually, 花 means flower, okay? 花猫,花猫,花 flower, 花猫,花猫. And the tabby cat, such as this cat is tabby cat, okay? 虎斑猫,虎斑猫,虎斑猫. Actually, in Chinese, we don't use this term very often, so you don't have to memorize this word, okay? Actually, hu means tiger, ban means like spotted. So it's like tiger spotted cat, something like that if I translate it directly. 虎斑猫,虎斑猫. Okay? 伸懒腰 is like stretch yourself, stretch your body, stretch yourself like this cat. Oh, like this cat. This cat is stretching itself. So 伸懒腰,伸懒腰,伸懒腰. Actually, 伸 means stretch, stretch. 懒 means lazy. Actually, 懒 means lazy in Chinese. Yao is like your rest. It's like your rest. W-R-A-I-S-T, rest. It's something like that. Okay? So, 伸 means stretch. 懒 means lazy. Yao means you're raised. Raised, right? Do you know? W-R-A-I-S-T, raised. Okay? Okay, I'll read that again. 猫,猫,黑猫,黑猫,花猫,花猫,虎斑猫,虎斑猫,伸懒腰,伸懒腰. Okay, guys. Actually, 伸懒腰 is like maybe I can show you how to 伸懒腰. Maybe I can show you. It's like this. Oh, it's like this. Okay, 伸懒腰. In Chinese, 伸懒腰 is like it's like you do something like this. Okay. Okay, bye bye, Tata. Good morning. 早安. Oh, sorry. 早安，再见。